Are you looking to save money and reduce your expenses? In this video, we'll share some simple yet effective tips for cutting costs and maximizing your savings. First, take a close look at your budget and spending habits. Where is your money going? Are you overspending on unnecessary items or services? By identifying areas where you can cut back, you can free up more money to put towards savings. Next, try to negotiate lower rates on bills and expenses. Many companies are willing to offer discounts or lower rates if you ask. So don't be afraid to pick up the phone and try to negotiate a better deal on things like your cable bill, cell phone plan, or insurance premiums. Another way to save money is to shop around for the best prices on the things you need. Whether you are buying groceries, clothing, or household items, it pays to compare prices and look for deals. Consider using coupons and discount codes, and don't be afraid to ask for a discount or price match at the checkout. Another tip is to cut back on unnecessary expenses, such as eating out or buying expensive coffee every day. Small changes can add up to big savings over time, so be mindful of your spending and look for ways to reduce your expenses. Finally, consider automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account, so you can save without even thinking about it. By making savings a habit, you'll be more likely to reach your financial goals and build a strong financial foundation. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips have been helpful and will inspire you to start saving money and reducing your expenses. Every little bit counts, so don't be afraid to start small and build your savings over time.